Hey y'all, so my name is Lacosta, and if you are new here, please subscribe. And if you are not new here, thanks for returning. I love that for me, okay? So these are the items that I had in my bridal proposal boxes. Yeah, and they really enjoyed them. To see how the girls like their boxes, just keep watching. Okay? Okay. So I felt like the boxes came out super cute. I really put some thought into these boxes. I wanted to get things that the girls could use even outside of like the proposal boxes. So yeah, that's what I did. And these cards was so cute because they knew I had 3 bridesmaids and I have 2 matrons of honors and 1 maid of honor, which is my little sister. So let's get it popping. I did this drink. It is called the Pink Whitney. I got it off of it was either TikTok or Instagram, one of the two. So what is in the drink is some Pink Whitney. I think it's an Amsterdam liquor, and I got this from our local liquor store. I think it was like $18. I think it might not even been that much, but I'm not sure. Well, as you can see, I am having a hard time. This container that I have is broken, and I did not realize that it was broke until it was too late. All my liquor was gone. I had to go out and buy a whole nother bottle. So learn from me, ladies. Learn from me. Try out the container first. Now, I did wash it out, but when I washed it out, it was not obvious that there was a leak. So yeah, I didn't find out to the last minute, and I was struggling. Okay. So here I am again. I had to go and get a whole nother thing of Pink Whitney. Well, not me, but my boo. He went and got it for me because yeah, I was trying to set up and I was getting all kind of frustrated and everything. So yeah, it went so much better this time. I had to take that other container back to Walmart and switch it out for this one. So after that, everything was a-okay. Okay, so next I went in with the Simply Lemonade Raspberry. If you have not tried this, let me tell you something. Give it a try, okay? Let me tell you something. You better get on this bandwagon because this is some good lemonade. I love any kind of Simply lemonade. I like the regular lemonade, I like the raspberry, and I like the strawberry. I get mine from Walmart. I'm sure they have it anywhere else. Give it a try. You will not be disappointed. Next, I went in with some Sprite. Okay, so this is the last ingredient. And let me tell you, this Pink Whitney had us sweating. Okay, it was good. But we, one glass, and we was sweating. So maybe I should have just did half of the Pink Whitney instead of the whole thing. But it was a good drink. You know, it was really a good drink. If you are a drinker, do the whole bottle. Okay, whole bottle. We're all for the whole bottle. But it had us old ladies sweating. Okay, we in our late 30s. We was sweating. Okay. So of course, I had to try it out. I got this cute glass from Etsy. I have a video all about what was in my boxes and where I got them from. Check it out. Okay, y'all. So I provided them with some little ham and cheese sliders, bussing, this bundt cake. I thought I was ordering cupcakes, but these were little small cakes. Y'all need to give them a try, okay? And fruit, fruit is fruit. So this for y'all. Sit down. Oh, look at me. I'm cute. Check out my shirt, you guys. It is on my Etsy shop. I designed this shirt. because I am doing bride-ish things. Okay? Okay.
So this for y'all. But the balloons are falling, of course. So, yeah. I'm waiting on everybody. You recording? Yes, I'm gonna be. Oh, you look so cute. You got your shirt. I'm gonna take your picture, girl. I didn't record it. Go back out and come back in. Okay. Just look at the table and say, oh, that's cute. That's crazy. Okay, come on. Hey, y'all. Oh, that's so cute. What's going on? I carried on bad. She is supposed to be. Yeah, y'all can move fine, but it's okay.
Oh, which one mine? The one that failed?
No, yours up here. It's the little.
Ashley, we still love Ashley.
Tell her that's all right.
We still love. You're not gonna do this.
Yeah, he anything.
I'm ready to get mine. Oh, I can't wait. Sit in front of me. I want to record mine now.
Yeah, me too. Hey y'all. Hey y'all.
Nothing.
Take my jacket off.
Nothing.
Come on. Come on in. He anything. Okay.
Get on my nerves.
Right.
Hey, Bridal.
Hi. I ain't got no bad no more. You late?
Oh, don't mess
Well,
up.
first of all, I
Said I was gonna be late.
but you got here right before me.
You did.
Okay, y'all. Shh. Yeah, shh.
Go ahead.
You know what? You can put out.
Let's go.
You can put out already. Okay, y'all. I was.
Oh, she's gonna
No,
cry.
I'm not crying. I just want to say y'all are some of all of my. Y'all so free.
Rude.
I want to record. Okay, so y'all are all of my favorite people. Wait a minute, you gotta repeat.
Yeah. One.
Wait.
Okay, for real.
1, 2, 3. Everybody get ready.
Wait a minute.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, y'all. So y'all are some of my favorite people, and I wanted y'all to enjoy my, one of the most important days of my life with me. And I'm doing and y'all have been around me for so long, and all y'all know me. And I got y'all these boxes, and I don't know what to say.
You love us. Just say
Just
love.
speak
We
from your
love
heart.
And I love y'all, and I'm thankful and grateful that y'all, are gonna be on this journey with me.
What we gotta do now?
Now y'all can open y'all boxes.
This is cute.
So when y'all accept the box, I'm gonna give y'all something and y'all can pop the balloon.
Okay, give me your phone.
And I wrote each one of y'all own note and y'all
We all got our own note. Yeah. Bitch, you have to lock your phone. I didn't say she got. I know. She showing all that. She always showing that. Okay, I got the roof out.
Oh.
Look at y'all.
Yeah, that's what y'all.
I couldn't even put your damn hair. Y'all read her hair right?
Yes. Tammy is so pretty.
No, Tammy's serious.
I'm not my
This
dress.
is so nice. I never thought of nothing like this.
What is this word?
Just read you with
I'll read it for you.
My perfect what?
My perfect day wouldn't be complete without my baby sister, my thorn in my side, the person who makes me talk, and I wouldn't have it any other way. You are always gonna tell me how you feel and voice your opinion. Why would this time be any different? I love you.
That's cute. That's me.
Okay. What if I gotta think about it?
Yes.
Yes.
What if I gotta think about it?
Are you home?
Are you home?
Oh, we're supposed to say yes or no.
This is so sweet. Let me get something back for y'all.
Well, theirs is already popped.
Oh.
It's going to be
But I said I gotta think about mine, Costa. Why would he not think about it?
We can come in a minute. Let's talk about the costume. This is her day. What you should have done?
Damn, I'm over here crying for real. I said
Shut your
Do her.
Oh my goodness.
There's that. So fucking.
Hi, here go a pen.
How you got? When you got one?
This is cute.
Wait a minute. Let me record y'all.
Oh, wait, let me dry my
Wait a minute, your fault, though, huh?
Wait, first of all,
Let me dry my tears off first, because I'm
everybody's supposed to have one,
Wait a
right?
minute. Okay, go ahead.
Go get you some. What do you think?
Go ahead, do it, do
You got
it.
Kanisha?
mine to stay like that.
Oh,
No, I want mine to stay.
Do the own.
oh.
Give me the pen.
Look.
You got it. Alright, so y'all know I'm flicked. What was that?
Come on.
Wait a minute.
Now take those hands.
I'm gonna make it to that part.
Yes, Costa.
Oh, smart.
Cheers.
This is nice.
Hey, Casey.
Last but not
One,
least.
2, 3.
I don't even look.
You pay for the
It
house.
don't matter. It's in the wrong question.
Cause she gonna do my wedding too. I'm getting married next year.
Okay, next year. Nice.
Y'all open the counter. I need to do a video of the counter because I couldn't open it with my fingernails.
Oh.
Damn chill so I can get comfortable. Nothing.
Here's mine.
Yeah, open it.
Team Bride. Toast to the I Do crew. With sparkling
I needed one of
I'm
these.
talking. Clean fresh marine notes mixed with pops of
sitting down.
citrus. To Ashley love the
Collect for
pasta.
this. I'm sitting.
This is not. Ooh, it smells.
She gonna do it.
Yeah.
What's on your snap? Rest of the I'm just closing it and I'm fat and tired.
This is nice.
Right here.
This is nice. Everybody sitting
Can
down.
I call your phone? You keep locking your phone like somebody on there.
What is your phone?
So cute.
She's on the charge. She been on all day.
Costa, girl, you out here yourself, girl.
I told you when I went. You knew that though.
I'm trying to answer questions.
Why is it in the building?
I was in the bathroom to answer
Before you go in,
questions.
I got food too.
I know, don't it?
Yes,
For the frying.
that's cute.
I got me a little work bag. Yeah. So would you like to? I'm here with Kanisha. So Kanisha like somebody.
A wellness guy.
It's like a little book. It's like a little bridal book.
Like the right in.
Yeah,
For me?
for everybody. When y'all talk and y'all make notes.
Oh yeah, I need that.
Oh, you know that's all I care to work, honey.
Oh, look at my name. My name. Okay, you do it now. I don't do it for my birthday. I'm not my birthday.
My birthday coming up too.
We ain't use it. We're going out to.
Shit, you can use it anytime you want to use it.
Thank you.
Who you ain't drinking? None of that looking. I'm gonna pour you some more.
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna drink it full.
Oh, my thing got my name on it too.
Wait, it's hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
This is different.
In the suitcase, everything is going.
This is not. I've never heard of parties like this.
We got some damn Chardonnay.
Only
We
the
got some
Caucasians
rosé.
do this.
Oh, this is so cute.
I'm trying to get Kanisha.
What is it?
Who am I counting?
Yeah, we gonna plan you the bomb bachelorette, honey.
I know that shit.
Oh,
Right.
yeah.
Y'all better start saving your coins and shit.
Don't forget me.
Oh, Brazilian wax.
That is bumbo cream.
I know.
This our road. This
It's
our
not
road.
good. No, ain't nothing. That ain't no damn roll. I cut that shit up.
Oh, that's nice though.
I'm trying to figure out how to use the computer every day to do all this shit.
Please tell me you put with me.
You put our
We
name
can't go to
on it.
lunch. Y'all can't go to lunch.
It's
You
cute.
know
Put
what?
our name on it.
It's not good.
You open up your box.
Just that.
Yeah, open it.
And the cup.
Me, you open up and open up to the box. It's already gonna be hot.
A wellness guide.
This ain't no regular people. You got it. Damn. It's coming out the box.
This
That's your
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's hers.
Yeah, no, I said everybody take it on. I'm gonna stick mine up too.
Oh, yes.
I love
Bitches
it.
on it at the bottom. I'm calling too many bitches in the
Pop it
stuff.
up and then
Y'all been saying.
yes.
Yeah, stop us. This ain't being weird.
Music on her.
Oh,
This ain't
Yeah, glow.
Yeah.
listen to this.
I ain't lying though.
Big glow coming to the town.
But you need to come down a little often because you don't know the song. Come back and learn. I love Bruce. Hey, she's gonna be with me at my
So
party.
you cannot get my box. You got the
Me and Coffee gonna have a time. We ain't gonna make it sure.
So, you know, we had to have a little slight turn session. Wouldn't be a proposal party without it, okay? If you have not done so, give me a big thumbs up. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below. And until next time, I'll holler at you later. Peace out.
High volume. Cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street these bosses.